Hare Krishna! Welcome to our channel! My exams are over. Now I have 20 days holiday. I am very excited. In holidays, I am going to Goa for 4 days. Drishya, let's start the packing.
Yes.
We are taking some tops, frocks, shorts, skirts and night suits. 1 or 2 pairs of socks and some hankies. Some more essentials. Paper soap, comb, moisturizer, toothbrush, toothpaste, sanitizer, sunscreen, some earbuds and baby white, aloe vera gel. Now our hair accessories. Some hair bands, clips. It will be very hot. So we are carrying our caps, hat and sunglasses. Undergarments. For swimming we are carrying pump, armbands, swimming cap, swimming goggles, tube, swimming costumes.
Now this is nice. Now this is nice.
Plastic bag to carry your wet clothes, towel, beach toys, 1 waterproof bag. Our beach bag is ready. In the end, our shoulder bags, bottle and dolls. Bye bye. Let's see you in Goa.